path. Yes. Okay. Okay. Now here's what's interesting. Does anybody know what the word adder means? Right. An adder in the path. Then the key is then to find out where the path is. And the path, of course, is the vertebrae. Okay? And the nervous, the spinal cord is the path. Okay? That biteth at the horse's heel. What's the next sign in front of Scorpio? Y'all can't even see it back there, can you? Sagittarius is the next one. Half man, half horse. Yeah. Can you get it on that? No. Okay, let me move this over out of the way here, so you can at least get that on. I forgot we were going to have that. Does that help any at all? Get a picture? Got a picture? Good. Okay. Okay. And the rider falling backwards is the emphasis of Sagittarius aiming at the stars with his bow and arrow. Okay. Can you see it now? Okay. We're going to stop there instead of running through them so that we'll have an appreciable understanding of each sign. We're going to deal with it a few at a time. And then I'll go to the astrological signs themselves, as well as what I'm supposed to do, as with here, in these right angles. These are the 12 disciples and their representation of spiritual powers in the body. These are the 12 signs of the zodiac and the 12 sons of Jacob and their correlation. These are the 12 signs of the zodiac and their physiological representations in the physical body. That's their construct, and these are just the hieroglyphics of the 12 signs, and as I'm put here, the 12 sons of Jacob. Okay? Okay, we're going to take make an effort to meditate with some, what is called sabda. We're going to do sabda meditation. And sabda means sound meditation. And what the purpose, I should have mentioned this the last time we were here in class. The purpose of sound is to move the chakra and to vibrate. Yeah. You put it on hold there for a minute. Rewind it, brother. Yeah, you did? Okay. Sabda is S-B-A-D-A, sabda. Sabda meditation. And the purpose is to create a vibration in the chakra, the spiritual centers behind the physical body in the astral body. That's where your chakras are. But they are blended into the physical form. Okay? And your glands as well. The other major purpose of sound vibration, sound meditation, is to shake off some of the astral dirt, mental dirt, that settles on these centers and on these chakras, that suffocate them and prevents them from really functioning and operating properly. One of the other benefits of meditation, you get a chance to wash your brain and wash your spiritual body. One of the ways to do it. Of course, the major thing, of course, is raising Kundalini, the cosmic fire that eats up all the chaff or burns up all the chaff, is the key word there. Okay, I think I'll turn the wheel. We're going to get a good impression here. So I'm going to turn the wheel as well, or the bowl. This is the Himalayan singing bowl. And it's made out of crystal. The Himalayans, not Himalayans, the Hindu, make a metal bowl, and they also make a ceramic bowl. But what this particular European inventor did was he crushed some crystal and duplicated this ancient bowl so that you would get crystalline energy from the bowl itself, so that you're actually getting energy particles of crystal when this bowl is turned. Yes. That's what they told me. Huh? Lead crystal?
Does that make a difference?
If it were, it certainly would make a difference, because lead is certainly much more dense than crystal. Okay. Yeah, but the idea is to get a certain type of vibration. One of the reasons the musicians use brass instead of tin or iron for their vibration. You get a higher quality. In through the noses, both nostrils, and out through the mouth, because we're going to breathe through one nose, nostril. Okay, you know, we're actually two physiologies: left body, right body. Your left brain is a complete brain. Your right brain is a complete brain. We really have two brains. See, the reason we know that is because there's some people living with a half a brain. You know, and that human being is still alive and still functioning. So we really do have two brains. Okay. Well, some ain't using that damn much. at the maximum, huh? Okay, let's breathe in. Type up the sound, music. Focus your attention at the heart center. My point of differentiation of that of third eye meditation is I want your attention at your heart center, and bring the sound to your heart center to affect this opening of your heart chakra. Turn it up, brother.